Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear busy or away on your Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device. And once you open it up, you will be asked to log in if you haven't done so already. You can use your email address or username along with your password. And once you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, if you wish to appear away or busy within your game, so that other players will not send you an invite on Hearthstone, then simply click on your account icon at the top right corner. You will now see the online, away, busy as well as appear offline options. You can click on the busy as well as away option if you don't wish to be invited into any game while still being online. And while you have selected the away or busy option for your profile, most players will not send you any invite. You also have the option to appear completely offline by clicking on the given button. By using these 4 indicators, you can let other players know whether you wish to play together or not. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear busy or away on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.